afternoon and welcome to Caltrans District 8's weekly news update serving San Bernardino and Riverside counties. Today is Thursday, August 22nd. My name is Joy Sepulveda.
And I am Darren Cook.
And we are Public Information Officers for Caltrans. We would like to begin this week by acknowledging the hard work and dedication of the firefighters who fought the Silver Fire successfully. We would also like to thank Griffith Construction, the contractor on the emergency cleanup project for the Silver Fire, for expediting the guardrail repair and opening State Route 243 at noon on August 16th. One day ahead of schedule and in time for the Idlewild Jazz Festival. Good work. Caltrans would also like to thank the 400-plus attendees of the State Route 62 Emergency Striping and Delineators Project public meeting on August 20th. We appreciate your participation and comments and look forward to future meetings. There will be a full directional closure of Interstate 10 and Interstate 215 this weekend as part of the I-215 Bi-County project. The closure will be on I-10 between Mount Vernon and Waterman Avenue so that crews can demolish the I-215 separation bridge overhang over I-10. Please visit our website, caltrans8.info, for more details.
Caltrans would like to remind motorists that drunk driving is one of America's most often committed and deadliest crimes. In an effort to get drunk drivers off the road, raise public awareness about the dangers of drunk driving, and most importantly, to save more lives on our roadways, the National Drunk Driving Enforcement Crackdown, Drive Sober or Get Pulled Over, will be held from mid-August through Labor Day. Don't forget that alcohol affects those skills essential to riding a motorcycle, balance and coordination. So, it plays a particularly big role in motorcycle fatalities. Law enforcement will be out in full force, and remember, they'll see you before you see them, so don't drink and drive. You never know. The life you save may be your own. For more information on this important campaign, or to watch some PSA videos, or for more information on projects throughout the district, visit our website at caltrans8.info. This has been a weekly news update with Joy Sepulveda, Darren Cook, and Caltrans District 8 Public Affairs. We look forward to providing you with next week's news update.